welcome to my channel. And before we start, please click subscribe or you can donate to support us.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Computta to your Bitcoin address. First, click the profile menu, then click payment settings. There also show that the minimum amount for Bitcoin withdrawal from Computta is only 3 millibitcoin. MBTC is millibitcoin, which is 1 for 100 of Bitcoin. So for example, 1 Bitcoin is 700 US dollar, then 1 millibitcoin is 7 US dollar. There ask to enter your Bitcoin address and then click Save. Now click the payment menu. There also appear the information of minimum amount for Bitcoin withdrawal from Computta. Your payment request will be processed within 24 hours and usually you will receive it within 48 hours. The current balance is 4.17 millibitcoin. So I will withdraw my balance of Computta to my Bitcoin address. Click Send to Wallet. Click OK. Then my balance has been moved into the Computta wallet. Refresh your browser so that the Pay Me button appears and input the balance amount in the wallet, which is 4.17 millibitcoin. Click Pay Me, getting paid for 4.17 millibitcoin. Are you sure? Click OK. As you can see in the screen, that the payment status is pending. It's because the payment request confirmation link from Computta not yet clicked. Then check the registered email to confirm payment request. Please click the following link to confirm your request payout. And now your payment request has been confirmed. There is a number of payments and a Bitcoin address that has been confirmed. Your payment request will be processed in 24 hours until 48 hours and you will receive a withdrawal payment email message that has been complete. Now we check the payment status after clicking the payment request confirmation link, whether it is still pending or it has been successful. And finally, the payment status is complete. And after the payment status is complete, then there is a notification email. Your Bitcoin transfer payment complete. Your recent withdrawal payment is processed now and funds are sent to your Bitcoin address. Click the link there to see the Bitcoin payment transaction. And finally, the Bitcoin from Computta has been sent to my Bitcoin address. Thank you for watching and please click subscribe or you can also donate to support us.